Hey everyone, welcome to this video. This is part of my series of how to start a coaching business from scratch and grow it all the way to $1 million. And I'm showing you step by step how I do it. So this is episode 3. So just to kind of recap where we left off. So we created our YouTube channel. We started uploading YouTube shorts to start building an audience. And so far it's looking pretty decent for a start. So we have 6 shorts uploaded. We started uploading on the 18th. It's the 24th now when we're filming this. And I'm trying to upload at a pace of at least once a day, but ideally like 2 to 3 a day. Like on the 19th, I uploaded 3. So for today, I've uploaded 2 to catch up because I kind of fell off a little bit. But we're going to see the most growth if we upload every single day and ideally 2 or 3 times a day. Like you can see here, I uploaded twice on this day, 3 times on this day. Saw a huge spike in views, it fell off, and then as soon as I started uploading again, it took off again. So we're definitely going to want to keep consistent on that. And what I found is that the whole idea that we talked about in the last video of be my poker coach and kind of like encouraging engagement, like I'll show you.
Be my poker coach. Tell me what I should have done differently in the comments. We're playing 5-5.
So it's like, tell me what I should have done differently in the comments. And when I did that, I got a lot more engagement. And I'm replying to every single comment to also help with the algorithm. Kind of, if I can create a dialogue, turn one comment into 5, for example, obviously that's going to help. So I'm definitely going to do more of this continuing forward. So this video, we're going to do is we're going to form a business Facebook page. And what we're going to do is we're going to use that same short form content and upload it so that we can get some Facebook Reels going and get a pattern of that. So that way we can reach the audience of Facebook as well. So I made a little checklist right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a business Facebook page. So obviously you need to have a personal Facebook account to do this. So I'm going to go to pages over here on the left, and you can see here pages I already set up. So kind of going to go through a few things. Like first of all, we need to create a name for the page that calls out the niche, tells what the page is about, have an engaging profile picture and cover photo that goes with that. Like for my business page, me with Russell Brunson, the 2 comma. What you do, what you help with, contact email is essential. Location, especially if your page is in person. And obviously we're going to talk about the content you should upload as well. And in your about section as well, having your website there. And we're going to talk about things you can optimize in this video. This is just an example. But what we're going to do is we're going to create a brand new page. I messed up there. We're going to create a brand new page. We're going to go to pages, create page, and it's going to be a public page. Next, get started. Cool. Page name, we're going to keep it consistent with the YouTube channel. I'm going to call it Poker Brock. Category, there's no poker. We could call it casino, I guess. Yeah, let's call it casino. And I'm going to say for now, helping poker players get better for now until we kind of solidify our messaging, which we haven't done yet in this series, but that's going to be a placeholder for now. I say create page. Great. So we don't have a website yet at this time. That's going to be in a separate video. We'll add that later. I'm going to say just Las Vegas is my city. Just going to keep it vague for now. We don't have a website yet. There'll be a separate video on creating a website and a company email and all that. Hours, let's say always open. Next. Okay, we're going to add our profile picture. We're just going to use pretty much the same one from YouTube. There we go. That looks much better. Cool. We got that done. Let's hit next. We don't have a WhatsApp number. We're going to skip that. We're going to skip inviting friends. I'm just going to do this purely from scratch. Cool. Page is made. Awesome. So if we go back to our check sheet, so we created the business page. We used the business branding name Poker Brock. We loaded the photo, the cover photo. We added the description. We don't have a website yet, so we're going to skip this for now. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go into the settings here. And we're going to make sure that everything is set up correctly. So I'm going to set this to English. We always want to do that because we want to attract English speakers. We can't really help people who don't speak English. Okay, so what we'll have eventually is, like, once we have a sales process for the coaching program, which will most likely be a presentation of some sort, we're going to have it pinned on the page up at the top. But for now, like, all we're doing is posting content and growing the following and kind of creating some engagement and some brand awareness and some trust. So, like, we're going to skip over all that for now. We're just kind of making some imperfect action. So pretty much we've done everything we needed to do. So what we're going to do now is we're going to upload the short form content we already made for YouTube, and we're going to repurpose it for Facebook. So we're going to upload a reel here. So we're going to add video, and we're going to go to our first short that we made. We're going to upload that. Drop it.
Watch me take down a 270.
There we go. Next. We don't need any of this. Next. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my YouTube channel, and I'm just going to take the same exact description, and I'm going to put it here. I'm going to put the title there, add a space, and then put the description there. And since this is the first one, I'm not going to schedule it. I'm just going to post it right away. And I'm making sure I have all the keywords in here: Texas Hold'em, poker, no limit, Hold'em, 1-3, 1-3 NL. Having all those keywords there is really going to help the algorithm learn faster what my channel, what my page is all about. I hit post. Your reel is being processed. We'll let you know. So with Facebook, it takes time to process and learn what your reel is all about. But that's going to be it for this video. It's very, very straightforward. I'm going to have a link to this doc in the description so you can check it out. And we're going to get to setting up Instagram and TikTok in the following videos. Take care now.